Music. Welcome to my Altima Telecom Internet Review. Find plan details and service links below. This video offers a straightforward look at Altima Telecom, its features, strengths, and who it's best for. Altima Telecom is a Canadian provider offering affordable high-speed broadband to homes and businesses. They offer fiber, DSL, and wireless plans for individuals, families, and small businesses. A key Altima benefit is competitive pricing, perfect for budget-conscious users who don't want to sacrifice performance. Speeds range from basic browsing to high-speed options for streaming, gaming, and working from home. Their fiber optic service delivers fast, reliable speeds for multiple devices, lag-free. Unlimited data is a huge plus for heavy users and streamers. Altima Telecom shines with its flexible, no-contract plans. Choose your speed and features without long-term commitments. This flexibility makes switching or upgrading easy. 24/7 customer support is also available. Altima's coverage isn't as broad as some larger providers, concentrating on specific areas. Customer reviews are mostly positive, with some occasional reliability issues reported during peak times. Altima Telecom is ideal for budget-minded users seeking affordable, reliable internet. If you need a flexible, no-contract option adaptable to your changing needs, Altima is worth a look. Check the description for more info. Thanks for watching. Leave your questions and comments below.